Hello, I'm Chris. My pupil just passed their driving test first time with one driving fault. It was the examiner's last test they'll ever conduct before retiring after 18 years. I was lucky enough to have a chat with this experienced examiner afterwards. They told me their top 3 tips on how to pass the driving test, which of course, I'm going to share with you. By the way, if you're new here, then please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Tip number 1. When the examiner taps on the iPad, they aren't all bad taps.
Oh, what have I done wrong now?
It can be distracting when you see the examiner doing something on the iPad, and it's easy to assume the worst. You might think the examiner's marked you a driving fault, or maybe even given you a serious fault, and you start dwelling on that. But now you're distracted and more likely to make mistakes. The examiner told me they see a lot of candidates commit driving faults because they're not paying attention to their driving, but busy looking at what the examiner's doing. The examiner said they have to make a note when you answer the show me question, do a manoeuvre, a hill start, and other things. But they aren't always marking faults, so try not to get distracted by what they're doing and stay focused on your driving. You can do it. Tip number 2. Get the tell me question correct. You'll be asked a tell me question at the start of the driving test. The examiner said that it seems as if some candidates don't bother learning the answers, resulting in an incorrect answer and getting a driving fault before even moving the car. As you'd expect, the examiner definitely recommends learning the show me tell me questions and getting the test off to a good start. Tip number 3. After 18 years of experience and seeing countless candidates, the examiner told me that their best tip might sound boring, but just practice, practice, practice. It's important to build up experience on the road and to keep going over anything that you're not getting right. It will pay off in the end. So there you have it. Don't be distracted by what the examiner's doing. Learn the show me tell me questions. Build up experience on the road and practice loads. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Please press the like button if you found the video helpful in any small way. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have a driving test coming up soon, then good luck, and let us know in the comments below how you got on. As always, keep safe on the road, and bye for now.